Step-by-step guide. Applying for old age pension in South Africa. Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to apply for old age pension from the South African government. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of applying for this important financial support for senior citizens. The old age pension provides regular income to eligible individuals who have reached the retirement age. So, let's get started. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before beginning the application process, ensure you have the following documents ready. 1. South African Identity Document, ID, or Smart ID card. 2. Proof of residential address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. 3. Proof of income, if applicable, e.g., pension statements, financial records. Step 2. Determine eligibility. To be eligible for old age pension, you must meet the following criteria. 1. Be a South African citizen or permanent resident. 2. Be 60 years of age or older. 3. Meet the means test requirement, which considers your income and assets. Step 3. Visit your nearest South African Social Security Agency (SASSA) office. Locate the nearest SASSA office in your area. Visit the office in person, as online applications are not yet available for old age pension. Step 4. Collect an application form. Upon arriving at the SASSA office, ask for an old age pension application form. The staff will guide you to the appropriate counter. Step 5. Fill out the application form. Carefully complete the application form with accurate and up-to-date information. Double-check all details to avoid any mistakes. Step 6. Submit your application. Return the completed application form, along with all the required documents, to the designated SASSA officer. They will review your application to ensure it is complete and accurate. Step 7. Attend the interview. Once your application is submitted, you may be required to attend an interview at the SASSA office. During the interview, they will verify your information and may ask you additional questions. Step 8. Wait for processing. After the interview, your application will be processed by the SASSA office. This process can take several weeks, so be patient. Step 9. Receive notification. Once your application is processed, you will receive a notification by mail or SMS regarding the status of your application. If approved, the notification will contain information about the amount and date of your first payment. Step 10. Receive old age pension payments. If your application is successful, you will start receiving regular old age pension payments. These payments are typically made monthly and are deposited directly into your bank account. Make sure to provide accurate banking details to ensure a smooth payment process. Conclusion. Congratulations. You have now completed the step-by-step process of applying for old age pension from the South African government. Remember, this tutorial is meant as a general guide, and it's always recommended to consult with SASSA officials for the most accurate and up-to-date information. The old age pension provides financial support to senior citizens, helping them lead a dignified and comfortable life during their retirement years. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.